Society. And we are studying at ZPSU Zitsu. And today, we will be going to know some interesting topics about our society.
And that possibly ruin our health in general.
And let's go!
Before we dive into the problem at our school, let's understand what air pollution is and why it matters globally. As you saw, air pollution is a serious global problem, causing millions of deaths each year and contributing to climate change. Now, let's focus on how it affects our own school environment.
We have noticed a significant problem with garbage accumulation around our school. Overflowing bins are a common sight, and litter is scattered everywhere on the grounds, in the hallways, even near the classrooms.
This is not just an eyesore, it's a major contributor to the air pollution. Decomposing organic waste release harmful gases and plastic waste break down into microplastic that contaminate the air we breathe.
Good afternoon, sir. Can I interrupt you for a while? Can I ask some questions regarding on the air pollution? What can you observe in the surrounding?
So as I observe in our surroundings, no, there's a lot of garbage where the people they are throwing their garbage improperly. So ganun po, marami po talagang mga basura po na nakikita natin sa surroundings natin.
What do you think is the cause of this?
Actually, the main cause of this problem is the people, the students, because they are throwing their garbage improperly. So instead of itapon nila sa tamang garbage, why not like ibulsa muna nila ganun. So para mas makita talaga natin ang ganda ng environment po natin.
As a student, what do you think we can do to improve this?
As a student, we can improve this through like after we are going to buy in our canteen, like kung ano man yung binibili natin, dapat alam natin kung saan siya itapon yung mga basura para wala pong problema o para wala pong sakit na makukuha natin sa environment.
Okay, thank you, sir, for your time. We appreciate. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, sir. I am from BSED English 1B. Can I ask you some questions about air pollution?
Yes.
But before that, sir, can you kindly state what is your name?
By the way, I'm Chen Rafael Monteverde Acuña. Yun po.
So here is my question, sir. What can you say about the air around the school?
Well, not quite good. To be honest, in my situation, for me, I'm having hard time in the air in the school. Some like here in that too. Sometimes the air here is kind of smelly, and especially lot one, the part of the field or the oval, the asfalto. I mean, it's so not nice to be smelled because for me it is so unhealthy. Kasi I have a sensitive ako pag sa amoy. Yun.
Okay, thank you for sharing your precious time to us, sir. Thank you.
We demand change, and yet we ignore a simplest act of responsibility.
We are crying out for a better environment, cleaner streets, and healthier communities.
Change doesn't start with grand gestures. Rather, it begins with simple discipline.
But how can we achieve this if we won't even take the time to dispose our waste properly?
So therefore, as a human being, we should be part of the solution and not a pollution.
The good news is we can make a difference. We're focusing on practical solutions. We can start by regularly cleaning up litter around the school. Proper waste disposal is crucial. We'll be promoting the use of designated bins and educating our peers on responsible waste management. We'll also be organizing recycling drives to reduce the amount of waste going to landfills.